Welcome to Milak Online Tutorial. Before us is this question that says a substance has half-life of 3 minutes. Now after 6 minutes, the count rate was observed to be 400. What was its count rate at 0 time? Now what the 0 time means is the initial count rate, or probably the initial atom present. Now let us assume that the initial atom present at 0 time is x. So let's be this initial atom present equals what? X. All right. So now the half-life, which is 3 minutes, will now be, it means this, that is half of this, has now disintegrated at 3 minutes. So here we have x over what? 2. So the count rate remaining now after 3 minutes is what? X over 2. Now after 6, that is by 6 minutes, now by 6 minutes now, the number of counts, or probably the number of atoms remaining after 6 minutes now will not be this also divided by 2, which will give us x over 2 times 1 over 2. That's changing this sign. So here you have x over what? 4. So here we have what? X over what? 4. Right? Now let us now recall from the question that after 6 minutes its count rate is what? 400, which means this equals to what? 400. So and as such now, cross multiply, so we have x will now be 4 times what? 400, which is what? 1600 or 1600. That's the final answer. And if you love what I've just done, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos in chemistry, physics and mathematics. Thank you and God bless you.